Hello and welcome to Quadpro TV. In this video, we will give you an introduction to Quadpro Estates Management software.
Quadpro is comprehensive estates management software. It provides many benefits, including saving organisations money, tracking compliance, and keeping the estates team organised. It also keeps everyone informed and gives instant access to plans and documents. It is best used in support of the accommodation strategy developed for an organisation's property holdings. This should include the collection and management of many types of information, such as condition surveys, budgets, cost in use data, and space analysis. And this in turn can be used to analyse the needs and future development of the building stock and devise a plan for both the capital budgets and the maintenance expenditure needed. Quadpro is crucial in developing and managing this process and for controlling its implementation through capital projects, day-to-day repairs, and planned maintenance. Quadpro is at the heart of successful asset management, from assessing facilities, prioritising the issues, budgeting, and developing a plan and then implementing it efficiently. Quadpro is the key to success, and its reporting ensures meaningful review and control. This introduction shows you some of the features you can use to achieve successful estates management. Once you have logged in, this is the opening screen that you will be presented with. It has various parts. Down the left-hand side, there is a menu which shows the modules of the system. These include information regarding sites, buildings and spaces, an asset register with information on the assets and asset maintenance, a planned maintenance module including analysis based upon condition survey information, and then a works order section which contains both job requests and works orders. In the finance section there is a module for budgets, and at the bottom there is a compliance module which includes both compliance documents and asset maintenance compliance. Information can be accessed by clicking on the links and buttons. If we click on the building link, we get a list of buildings, and then by going into the list we can access that information for that building, including its spaces, its plans, the job requests, photographs, budgets and numbers of orders placed, assets, compliance information, and a document register for that particular building. Along the bottom of the screen there are a series of buttons giving access to drawings and plans. These include site plans, which you can see on the screen at the moment, building plans, which again you can see. These plans can be altered by opening them in any drawing package, such as Paint, and then using Paint's facilities to alter or change the drawings by adding information or making alterations to the drawing. These can then obviously then be saved either as they are or as a different format or with a new name or the same name in normal Windows way. Along the very top of the screen are a series of menu items which allow you to access other parts of the Quadpro system, including particularly the glossary, where you can make amendments and tailor the various drop-down menus that are available within the system. Below the school title there is a series of menu items which allow access to other parts of the system. These include the web portal, which we will come onto later, dashboards, instant access to site information and their buildings, and to an asbestos register link. At the far right-hand side of the screen, there is a help button, which will give you access to the Quadpro help portal, where you will find help articles covering all aspects of the system and video tutorials on how to use the system efficiently. If we take a quick look at the sites module, by clicking on it, you can access the plans for the various sites you may have in your possession. And if you click on the plans, you can open them up to a full screen size, and potentially if you add hotspots, you can open information on each individual building as a building inspector, which will allow you to see various bits of information, outstanding orders, the documents, compliance situation, plans, etc. And that will then take you through to the information just for that particular building. If we look at the dashboard option, this opens up the ability to see 5 different dashboards, one for requests and one for orders, for maintenance, for compliance and suppliers. These dashboards are linked to the data, so you are seeing the data in real time, and they give a graphical interface where you can use your ability to choose different periods to analyze the data, to see things like the number of job requests that have been completed in a period, where you can then access it just for particular buildings or for particular sets of priorities, or an individual group of buildings. Lots of different abilities to manipulate and report on the data. Each of the dashboards work in a similar way. You can access the web portal by clicking on this button, which brings up the web portal in your browser, and you can then sign in at your particular level and either place a new job request if you wish, or if you're a manager, you can review all the requests that are in the system for the current year, and you can even actually look at particular aspects of them. So you can say, oh, which is the one that's due today, and click on that one, and it will give you just that one record, which you can then in turn go into the job requests to see the detail. This will be gone into in more detail during the specific video for the web portal. The center of the screen is reserved for a display of the outstanding job requests currently in the system, and can be toggled to see the outstanding works orders, and can be utilizing the filters at the bottom. You can see various combinations of records that you may wish to see. By clicking on a specific record, you can see the information in detail for that particular job request. All of these areas of the system will be covered in the series of tutorial videos available to users. We hope you will find them instructive. If you have any feedback, we are always pleased to hear from you.